Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. In this series, we're going to focus on the essentials that are needed by every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. Today, we're going to be making the 1-to-1 ratio honey syrup. If you're looking for a recipe for demerara syrup, simple syrup, mint syrup, ginger syrup, orgeat, saline solution, or even a technique for citrus juicing, check out the links below. If you're in the right place, let's jump in. Alright, so the tools we're going to need today for our honey syrup. Kitchen scale. You need a pot. You want a bar spoon or something you can stir with. For our ingredients, you're going to need 250 grams of your favorite honey. You're also going to need 250 grams of water. Alright, let's weigh out our ingredients. You're going to get your container, place it on the scale. Always make sure you zero out that scale after you place the container on top. 250 grams. 250 grams of water. Alright, add our honey. 250 grams of water. Alright, so give it a stir and allow it to heat until that honey completely dilutes into the water. That honey is dissolved. We're going to want to take it off the heat, allow it to cool, and then we're going to put it into our storage containers. As always, before you store any product, make sure you label and date it. Pour that delicious 1-to-1 ratio honey syrup right into our container. And there it is, our 1-to-1 ratio honey syrup, essential for every bar and every happiness bar. Alright guys, like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. getting you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.